Welcome back to another mt10 install video. I've been having trouble with the upshifts on my bike because of the size of my feet. So purchased this adjustable shifter off of eBay for, I think it was £18. You can adjust it in and out like that. I think there it's pretty close to standard. So you can either adjust it that much, or you could even adjust it all the way in like that. So you get quite a lot of adjustment. Obviously that screws all the way in. So let's get it fitted. Right, so first off is 6mm Allen to loosen this bolt. And 4mm Allen on here. There's a washer that goes in between here. Obviously don't lose that. But when fitting a new shifter, put a smear of waterproof grease on the bolt. Don't forget to put the spring washer back on. And put a little bit of waterproof grease inside there. Slide that on. Put the washer on the back. Then put some thread lock on the thread. And also put thread locker on the bolt that connects it to the shift lever. Cover it back up with a boot. Then move this in and out where you want it. So I think I'm going to run mine all the way forward. See how I go like that. And as I can't find a torque spec, for this bolt right now, we put a little bit of Tip-X on there. I'll just keep an eye on that. Hopefully I can find a torque spec online somewhere. If anyone happens to know the torque spec for that, just pop it in the comments box for me, please. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. If you happen to find any of these videos helpful, if you subscribe, there'll be more videos to come. Lots of little bits I want to do to this.